Welcome to LEGO City TV. Here we'll be looking at how to protect yourself from a tornado. So, first rule when preparing for a tornado is never be out in the open. Always take shelter immediately. And there goes Chow going into the restaurant to protect himself from the tornado. Xiao just sits out here, which is a thing that you should not do. Hey, what are you talking about? If you're outside and are rushing to find a building, here are key things to keep in mind when searching for your building. First, make sure it is structurally sound. You want to avoid going into houses and being rooms that have windows. Another thing to keep in mind when seeking shelter is check if the building you're going to has a basement. If the building you are in does not have a basement, stay on the first floor or the lowest floor possible and try and go into a middle room like what Shadow or Silver is kind of doing. So yeah, those are key things to keep in mind when searching for shelters. Also, avoid mobile homes. During the storm, make sure you do one of the following. The most important thing is make sure everyone who is in the building with you is safe. Don't let them want to go outside for no reason. Otherwise, this may happen. No, I'm outside and nothing to worry about. Woof! If possible, turn on the radio to find out the latest tornado updates and see what is happening. Once the storm has passed, everyone is safe to go outside. After the storm, make sure everyone is safe and is not injured. If someone is injured, please report it. Also, there is definitely a chance of destruction. Please leave the cleanup crew up to clean up the streets and cities and stuff. And that is my video on how to stay safe and survive from a tornado. So, always stay indoors, never stay outside. Yeah, that's pretty much it.